Ready to take your camping to new heights? In this video, we're exploring the 15 coolest camping gear and gadgets that make every outdoor adventure epic. From innovative shelters to high-tech cooking tools, these must-haves blend comfort and durability for all campers. Imagine being deep in the wilderness. Your tent is pitched, the fire is crackling, and nature surrounds you, but you're sticky, sweaty, and craving a real shower. That's where the tiny shower bucket and bag comes in to save your adventure. This compact portable shower system brings a true pressurized shower experience right to your campsite. Unlike bulky solar bags or limited rinse kits, this innovation delivers strong, controlled water flow and fits easily into your backpack. It's lightweight, eco-friendly, and sets up in seconds. No electricity or plumbing needed. Whether you're camping in the forest, hiking mountain trails, or spending days on the road, this little bucket gives you multiple refreshing showers that make you feel clean, confident, and ready for anything. It's not just about hygiene, it's about bringing comfort into the wild. Say goodbye to sticky baby wipes and hello to your own personal, gravity-powered spa. The tiny shower bucket and bag is redefining outdoor living because staying wild doesn't mean staying dirty. The VSSSl Java is the ultimate hand grinder for coffee-loving adventurers, designed to deliver a premium coffee experience in the wilderness. Crafted for outdoor enthusiasts, this compact, durable grinder features a best-in-class stainless steel burr that ensures uniform grinding for maximum flavor. With 30 distinct grind settings, it adapts to various brewing methods, from espresso to pour-over. Its high-grade mini radial ball bearings ensure smooth, wobble-free operation, reducing effort while maintaining consistency. Housed in a sleek, military-grade aluminum cylinder, it's lightweight, portable, and built to withstand rugged conditions. The VSSSl Java is easy to disassemble for cleaning, and a lifetime warranty guarantees long-term reliability. Pair it with the optional Nomad travel kit, including a canvas tote, 12-ounce Meteor mug, and AeroPress Go for a complete backcountry brewing setup. Perfect for camping or hiking, the VSSSl Java elevates your morning ritual, delivering cafe-quality coffee anywhere your adventures take you. The White Duck Outdoors Diamond Shape Canvas Firewood Log Carrier redefines firewood transport with its stylish and durable design. Crafted from 21-ounce premium waxed industrial-strength cotton canvas, this tough log carrier is waterproof, scratch, stain, and dirt-resistant, ensuring longevity in rugged conditions. Reinforced with cotton polyester webbing and cross-stitched web handles with Velcro closures, it offers comfortable carrying over the shoulder or by hand, preventing splinters and slips. A metal D-ring and adjustable central strap secure logs, while an additional belt holds tools like an axe. Measuring 28 inches by 32 inches, it boasts a large capacity for firewood, kindling, or camping gear, keeping debris contained to avoid mess. Available in tan, brown, olive, and black, its diamond shape adds flair to functionality. Weighing just 1.47 pounds, it's easy to store and transport, making it an essential, versatile companion for campfires, picnics, or outdoor adventures. Say hello to Table Meteor, a wood stove that's more than just heat. Designed to look like a modern sculpture and built to perform like a champ, this Japanese-engineered stove redefines your campsite experience. It features airflow-optimized design for clean, efficient burns, a removable tabletop surface for cooking, and a mesmerizing flame window for those cozy evening vibes. Whether you're boiling water, grilling up steaks, or just staying warm, this stove brings both function and beauty, and when not in use, it looks like an art piece straight out of a high-end showroom. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it packs flat for easy transport and sets up in minutes. It's ideal for campers, glampers, or anyone who appreciates gear that works hard and looks good doing it. If you're tired of bulky, ugly stoves and want something sleek, smart, and soulful, table Meteor delivers warmth with wow factor. The Kelty VariCom No Fly Zone is a lightweight, military-grade insect mesh designed to enhance outdoor sleeping for campers and adventurers. Crafted from durable 70D nylon ripstop with a DWR coating, this Bivy-style cover minimizes exposure to biting insects while maintaining breathability. Measuring 35 inches by 90 inches and weighing just 13 ounces, it's compact. Packing down to 11 inches by 1.5 inches for easy portability. Compatible with Kelty's Delta and Gamma sleeping bags or the entire Verycom system. It features an elastic cord and an integrated stuffable Delrin pole for secure setup over your sleeping bag. Ideal for warm weather camping where bugs are a concern. It ensures a comfortable, bite-free night's sleep without adding bulk. Built to military standards, its rugged construction withstands harsh conditions, making it a reliable choice for backpackers and overlanders seeking protection and convenience. The VariCom No Fly Zone combines portability, durability, and insect defense for a peaceful outdoor experience. The Gerber ComplEAT Cook Set is a 16-piece camping cookware solution designed to bring a full kitchen experience to the outdoors. Featuring a 2.6-quart stainless steel sauté pan and stock pot with 3-ply base construction, it ensures even heat distribution for cooking hearty meals. The set includes a detachable 8-inch handle with silicone overmold, a basting dome lid, slim lid, 4 6.7-inch by 2.6-inch polypropylene bowls, 4 8.7-inch by 1-inch plates, a 10-cup mixing bowl, a hot pad, and a storage bag. Designed to feed a family of 4, its full-size components nest together for compact storage, eliminating the hassle of loose gear. The durable, colorful tableware supports meal prep and generous portions. Ideal for car camping, this set combines functionality, durability, and space-saving design, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable, high-quality cooking solution for group adventures. Say goodbye to clunky campfires and hello to Focano, the sleek, portable fire pit that transforms any outdoor moment into a cozy campfire scene. Compact, collapsible, and crafted from high-grade stainless steel, Focano lets you enjoy the magic of a real fire without the mess or stress. It's smokeless, wind-resistant, and easy to assemble in under a minute. Whether you're grilling marshmallows under the stars or warming up after a hike, this fire pit delivers clean burns and steady heat. No fire ring or deep pit required. Its minimalist, Japanese-inspired design adds modern flair to your campsite, backyard, or beach bonfire. The mesh base allows airflow for efficient combustion, while the foldable legs mean you can pack it flat and toss it in your backpack. Focano isn't just gear, it's an experience enhancer, perfect for campers, overlanders, and minimalists. Lightweight, durable, a total fire starter. Your next adventure just got warmer. The Sindbad Multi-Tool from Defiance Tools is a versatile 15-in-1 companion for campers and adventurers. Crafted from durable 420 stainless steel with a 7CR13 stainless steel drop-point knife blade for superior edge retention. This compact tool, precision-engineered with locking tools and blades for safety, includes spring-loaded pliers, scissors, an eyeglass screwdriver, bottle opener, and more, tackling tasks from campsite fixes to trail challenges. Weighing just 9.2 ounces and folding to a pocket-friendly size, it comes with a custom tactical holster made of 4.332 bolt-aron, resistant to extreme temperatures and impacts. Designed for rugged environments, it's perfect for camping, overlanding, or everyday carry. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the robust construction guarantees years of reliable use. Whether you're tightening a screw, cutting rope, or opening a bottle, the Sindbad Multi-Tool streamlines your outdoor experience, offering unmatched functionality and portability for adventurers seeking a dependable all-in-one tool. The Defiance Tools. Folding camp table is a game changer for camping and overlanding, blending portability with robust functionality, featuring a sturdy, lightweight aluminum frame and a durable, eco-friendly bamboo tabletop. It offers a stable surface for cooking, dining, or organizing gear. 3 enclosed shelves, made of 600 denier Oxford polyester, provide ample storage, keeping essentials organized. Measuring 24 inches wide by 20 inches deep by 32 inches high when set up, it collapses to a compact 24 inches by 20 inches by 4 inches, weighing only 18 pounds for easy transport in vehicles or tents. Setup and breakdown take mere seconds, making it ideal for quick camp setups. Praised for its high quality and versatility, this table is perfect for car campers, RVers, or backyard gatherings. Its sleek design and practical storage make it a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable, space-saving solution to elevate their camping experience. The Boxio Toilet Plus is a portable, eco-friendly composting toilet designed for camping, van life, and off-grid adventures. Measuring 15.75 inches by 11 to 81 inches by 11 inches, this lightweight, compact toilet fits easily in vehicles or small spaces. Its dry separation system handles 8 Tier 10 uses, featuring a 1.3-gallon solids container and a leak-proof urine canister, paired with hemp litter and compostable bags for near odorless operation. The starter kit includes the toilet, an odor trap, 2 hemp litter packs, and 3 bio bags, offering a chemical-free alternative to traditional portable toilets. Assembly takes about 5 minutes, and its 330-pound weight capacity ensures durability. Environmentally conscious, it allows easy disposal, solids in a trash can, liquids down a drain, eliminating the need for chemical treatments or dump stations. Ideal for campers seeking sustainability and convenience, the Boxio Toilet Plus combines hygienic design with practical portability, earning praise for its compact size and ease of use, making it a game changer for outdoor sanitation. Tired of struggling with tarps and tent poles? Meet Nomad Awnings, the instant car awning system that turns any SUV, truck, or van into a shady, weatherproof hangout in seconds. Just unzip, roll out, and boom. You've got instant shade and rain protection wherever you park. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or road tripping, this compact awning mounts directly to your roof rack and deploys with ease. It's made from UV-resistant, waterproof canvas, supported by strong aluminum poles, and includes optional mesh walls for full bug protection. Want more? You can even add modular extensions to build out a full base camp setup. No more scrambling with ropes or cursing the wind. Nomad Awnings give you the freedom to set up and chill anywhere. Fast. It's like bringing your living room outside, minus the hassle. If you live that car camping life, this is the gear you've been missing. If you need one bag to do it all, it's the Zuki Duffel. This isn't just a bag. It's your gear hauler, travel companion, and base camp organizer rolled into one. Made from rugged, weatherproof fabric, the Zuki Duffel keeps your gear dry and protected no matter where you roam. But what really sets it apart? It converts into a backpack in seconds, has internal compartments that fold out like drawers, and comes with a hidden removable laundry bag to keep things clean and sorted. It's airline carry-on friendly, yet spacious enough for weekend hikes or extended camping trips. With lockable zippers, reinforced handles, and gear loops on all sides, this bag is ready for serious adventure. Whether you're a van lifer, globetrotter, or just love to stay organized, the Zuki Duffel is the all-terrain travel beast you've been waiting for. Pack smarter, move faster, go further. The Boxio Sanitary all-in-one camping bathroom bundle is a compact, eco-friendly solution for off-grid hygiene, ideal for camping, van life, or emergency services. Housed in 2 stackable Euro boxes, It includes a Boxio Toilet Max Plus, wash, 2 solo-up storage units, mirror, shower, 2 sight cushions, fixed clips, hemp litter, compostable bags, and more. This self-sufficient system requires no electricity, featuring a composting toilet with a 1.3-gallon solids container and a portable sink with a 5-liter water tank. Setup takes minutes, and its lightweight, durable design ensures easy transport and storage. Perfect for micro-camper conversions or remote adventures, it offers a hygienic, odor-minimized experience with sustainable materials like recycled plastic. The bundle's modular design maximizes space, with accessories like clips and a cutting board enhancing functionality. Rated highly for practicality and ease of use, the Boxio Sanitary delivers a complete, environmentally conscious bathroom solution, keeping you clean and comfortable anywhere. The Kelty Love Seat is a cozy, 2-person camping chair designed for comfort and durability during outdoor adventures. Featuring a sturdy steel frame and 600 denier polyester fabric, it supports up to 400 pounds and withstands rugged conditions. Measuring 59 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and 39 inches high, with a 19-inch seat height, it offers ample space for 2 adults or a pet. Its slightly reclined design and adjustable armrests with insulated beverage holders ensure relaxation at campsites, festivals, or beach outings. The chair folds into a padded roll-tote bag for easy transport, doubling as a gear or firewood carrier. While some users note the seat edge may press into shorter individuals' legs, taller users find it comfortable. Ideal for car camping, the Kelty Love Seat combines thoughtful craftsmanship, puppy-proof fabric, and portability, making it a perfect choice for shared outdoor moments. That's a wrap on our top 15 camping gear and gadgets. From clever multi-tools to portable power solutions, these innovative picks make your outdoor adventures more comfortable and exciting. Which one's your favorite for your next trip? Drop a comment below and start planning your epic escape. Happy camping, and see you under the stars.